Hi, I'm Lauren with Let Me Organize It, and I'm going to show you some folding techniques today for clothes that go in your drawers or your suitcase. All right, so now we're going to look at shirts. So t-shirts, there's a couple different ways to do this, and I'm going to go through those. But you have your basic t-shirt here. Now, I don't know if it's because I worked in retail for a couple of months or retail's in my blood or I just have always been hyper organized, but I can just quickly and easily do this and the shirt looks, almost perfect, folded. A lot of my clients are amazed by this trick. So if you get it to this point, and I'll show you how you can get here without doing the fun flippy trick, what I then tend to do is fold in thirds. So it's neater if you take the neck in first and then fold over, and it just creates this nice little package. And then you can fold that in your drawer. You can also start from the bottom and roll up and put it in your drawer as well. Now, if you don't know how to quickly and easily do the little swing fold, I will show you. You can do this while you're watching TV. You can get a fun flat folder board from the Container Store or Amazon and fold your laundry. This is really great for kids too. They love the game of folding with the board, so try that out. But what you want to do is basically fold in the side of the shirt up to the neck, and then in many instances you could leave the sleeve out, but we're going to fold it in just for good measure because you'll probably tend to do that with most of your shirts, and then fold the other side in. And then this is where you bring it up, and that's where you would kind of get this basic shape. And then again, what we would do is fold the neck down, fold the other part over, and then that will fit in a nice size depth drawer. The other way actually that you can fold your t-shirt, and it just depends on preference, you can start from up here and fold in, or I think it's a little bit easier to start down at the base of the shirt and fold it in half this way. Some people don't like this fold because you can get a crease in your shirt, and this t-shirt just happens to have a back that's a little bit longer than the front. But then you kind of fold it like this, and then you can again fold it in. This will be a little bit longer, but it's the same method. All right, so for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to go back to this one. And as you can see, that took 30 seconds to do. And the more you do it, the better you're going to be, the quicker you'll be. So let's look at a tank top. So there's a couple ways to do tank tops. I like to kind of fold the tank top down and then in half, and then lay it down, fold the bottom up, and then down again. You could also, once you've got it in half, do a little bit more. This is where you break all the rules. It depends on what fits for your drawer. All right, another way to do a tank top is just like that other with the shirt. Start with the bottom, fold in half, fold in half again. And this is what I do. I specifically take the tank top part here and have it start exactly at the base instead of going all the way down and then over. I just don't like how that looks. So have that like this. And then again, either in half again, depending on the depth of your drawer, or you can do it in thirds. And that's usually what I tend to do in my organizers. All right, and just for good measure, one more tank top. Fold it over, fold it into thirds. Perfect little origami. All right, how about a fun top? This one's pretty easy. Fold in half, fold down, fold in half again. There you have it. So presumably these could then fit into your drawer like this, and you'd be able to see everything you have. You can also do this exact same technique, put it in your suitcase. I tend to roll my stuff, but you could certainly try that. And that's how you do it. So this is Lauren with Let Me Organize It, and until next time.